Hey, welcome back to episode 5 of the Just Start Sewing series. Today is the finale, and it's the exciting part. We're going to watch Nicole finish her garment. This video is not a step-by-step of sewing this pattern from start to finish, because that's not what you need at this point. I wanted episode 5 to be all about inspiration and encouragement for you to just start sewing. You have all the tools, you've practiced using your machine, you know the terms, hopefully you have your pattern chosen and cut out. Now all you need is the extra push to get it started. So I'm going to share some footage of Nicole learning how to sew, and this is going to serve as real-time inspiration so you know that you can do it too. Something Nicole and I kept saying throughout our sewing journey together was that if you can read, you can sew. Every pattern comes with a set of step-by-step instructions. At first glance, it can look overwhelming, but it's just like a recipe. You just have to take it one step at a time. Patterns are written to guide you through every step. And Nicole's first project is a perfect example of that. This was Nicole's first ever garment. Let's see how it went. You got it. It looks great.
Thanks. Okay, not too bad. Yay!
That looks great.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, Nicole is basically just reading the instructions and going for it. And she's doing great. So we have our stay stitching done, which we talked about in episode 3. We did a few rows, she did a few rows of basting stitches, which we also talked about. And then we're going to start sewing 2 pieces together. So we're gonna make our first seam.
I'm like, okay, she told me this is what I do next. Ironing is always the thing that stresses me out the most. Cute.
I mean, you're really just reading it and figuring it out. And like, if you take your time,
like,
anything's possible.
I guess. I'm like, we're only on page 15 of 32. I've never done bias before, so I'm really excited for this. This is the stuff where I'm like, oh, anytime I see that, I'm like, I can't do that. Looks too hard.
And you just made your own bias tape.
Yeah, I was like, la. Like, she told me to do it, so. Okay, so I did that.
I'm blown away. Pull it and move the fabric along the thread. It's almost as if the fabric gets smaller, and then it will fit. Again with the back stitch.
Okay, cool.
Remove a few stitches and redo just a small little section. Otherwise, so good.
Oh my gosh.
No, this is the best part because this is the last step of the bias tape.
I'm like, I have to keep going with these folds. Like, I don't have to worry about gathering and okay.
It's already gathered.
Oh my god. Wow.
Oh
that
my
looks
gosh.
pretty good. Like, I can't believe that I sewed this.
It's amazing.
It's like laughter of joy. I'm like, oh my god. It turns out way better than I thought it would for this is my very first ever bias.
Yeah, that's incredible. But bad news, we got a lot more to do.
No! I guess it's like as long as I get the actual fabric.
Right. The top is finished.
I literally cannot believe that I made this. Like, yes, May helped me, but also
You did a lot of it by yourself. I left to go make pizza.
And it's like stuff that I was like, there's no way. Like, looking at the instructions, I'm like, I don't know how to do it. But did it.
You did it.
If you can read, you can sew.
If you can read, you can sew. That's the motto of this.
It's like, I just like can't believe it. And like the tie in the back,
it's really cute.
It's so cute. I mean, this could definitely be like hacked for like a tank top or something. That'd be super cute. Anyways,
next year.
Just want to give you guys an update.
Great update. She's doing great. Just checking in here. And Nicole's basically made the entire dress.
I'm working on pockets though, which I did not know were called pocket bags.
Yeah.
I just think that's funny. I just don't know, like, I don't know, it just seems so overwhelming before. And this feels not overwhelming.
I'm so glad.
Like, I can't believe that I am actually enjoying it. Like, I knew that I could do it, but I didn't know that I would enjoy doing it. And I think I'm actually really liking it now, so. I'm like, oh, this could get like addicting maybe.
Even though pizza's ready.
I'm like, I can't eat right now. Every time that I have a dress that has pockets, it makes me so happy. I think that's just like a universal girl thing. it has pockets. We're like, wow.
I just can't believe you went ahead and did the pockets.
Which part?
Just that you did it. You read the instructions.
Oh, yeah.
I came back, and here we are.
I'm just like, okay, one foot in front of the other. You taught me how to walk, and now I want to run.
I just made pizza. That's all I did. What I loved about this process and what made me feel so proud as a teacher was that Nicole wasn't relying on me to explain every detail. She read the instructions, tried it herself, and the garment started coming together. It's proof that you don't need years of sewing experience or even a teacher. Just patience, focus, and a willingness to trust the process. Please don't be intimidated by patterns. They are written for you, especially if they are for a beginner. Follow them step by step, and before you know it, you'll be wearing a finished garment. Now let's finish up the last few steps of Nicole's dress, and she'll share how it turned out. Thank you guys so much for joining this series. I personally feel like it went really well.
It went okay.
If you had takeaways for a beginner sewist or like encouragement you could give, what would you say?
I would say if the pattern says beginner, you truly can do it with no skill. I was very impressed by that, like how straightforward the pattern was, and don't read ahead. Like that really saved me because I basically would just read the pattern. May would watch me, you know, but she like let me do it to see if I could like really sew. So I would read the pattern and just not skip ahead. And I've done that in the past where I've bought patterns and been like, I can sew this, it looks easy. Then I look through all the steps and it's so overwhelming. Like I'm just like, I can't. So I think that just focusing on the step I was on, not reading ahead, really helped me a lot to not get overwhelmed or to overthink like, am I doing this right? Or how is this gonna come together? So I just trusted the pattern to go one step at a time.
This was your first garment of clothing that you sewn.
Mm-hmm.
Was it harder than you expected, easier, just as you expected?
It was honestly, I think easier maybe. Yeah, which is great. Like there was definitely parts that I was like, I can't. Like
all the gathering.
Yeah, the gathering, the bias stuff. I was like, wait, I don't know. Like this feels too much. But then I plowed through those steps. Like I just was like, I'm just gonna do it and like lock in, and then it was fine. And then there's other parts where I'm like, what? That's all? That's so easy. Yeah. I can't believe this dress has pockets.
I can't believe you did that.
Like pockets in a dress. I didn't think that was possible for me for my first garment ever. Yeah. And I think that's the other thing is like, I've always thought that if I sew something like a piece of clothing for the first time, it's going to be bad. And this is like something I would actually wear. And this is the first thing I've ever sewed. Thank you.
So good.
Yeah, so basically I'm living proof here to say that you can do it.
Yes, you can.
You can just start sewing.
Okay guys, that's it for this series. I hope you're feeling equipped and inspired to get to work on your first project. Trust me, you can do it. If I missed anything or you have any questions, please ask below. If there are enough questions, I may add a Q&A video as a bonus to this series. So ask any questions you have below and I will see you next time. Cheers.